Mindfulness. It's a word that seems to pop up everywhere these days, isn't it? But what does it really mean? At its core, mindfulness is about being present. It's about tuning into the here and now, rather than getting lost in the chaos of our thoughts or the distractions of daily life. In a world that often feels overwhelming, cultivating mindfulness is essential. It helps us to manage stress, enhances our awareness of ourselves and our surroundings, and improves our emotional regulation. And one of the most powerful tools we have for achieving this state of mindfulness is yoga. Yoga isn't just about bending and stretching. It's a practice that combines movement, breathing, and focus. When we step onto our mats, we have the opportunity to become fully present in our bodies. Take a moment to imagine standing in mountain pose. Feel your feet grounding into the earth, your spine lengthening, and your breath flowing in and out. As you breathe, notice how each inhale brings in fresh energy, and each exhale releases tension. This simple act of mindful breathing can transform how we experience our day. The benefits are profound: reduced stress, enhanced awareness, and a greater ability to manage our emotions. Now let's talk about mental clarity. We all know what it feels like to have a cluttered mind, right? Thoughts racing, worries piling up, and it seems impossible to focus. Yoga offers a path to calm that mental chaos. Certain poses and sequences can help us clear our minds and sharpen our focus. For example, consider the tree pose followed by child's pose. Standing tall in tree pose, we find our balance, rooting down while reaching up. It's a beautiful reminder of stability amidst the swirling thoughts. Transitioning into child's pose allows us to surrender, to let go of the day's distractions. When we practice consistently, we notice improvements in our decision-making and concentration. It's like giving our minds a gentle cleanse. But yoga isn't just about the mind, it's about the body-mind connection. This connection is vital for our overall well-being. When we engage in yoga, we unite physical movement with mindful awareness. Think about poses like cat-cow or warrior two. In cat-cow, we synchronize our breath with our movements, arching and rounding our spine, feeling the flow of energy. Warrior two empowers us, grounding us in our strength while maintaining focus. This unity fosters better posture, improved self-awareness, and a harmonious relationship between our thoughts and actions. So how do we integrate yoga into our busy lives? It can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start small. Maybe it's a few gentle stretches in the morning to wake up your body, or a few minutes of mindful breathing during your work breaks. Even a short evening flow can help you unwind and reflect on your day. The key is consistency over intensity. It's not about how long or how perfectly you practice. It's about making mindfulness a part of your everyday routine. As we wrap up, let's recap the journey we've taken. Mindfulness, mental clarity, and the body-mind connection are all beautifully intertwined through yoga. I encourage you to take that first step. Start small and build your practice over time. Whether you try a short yoga flow, attend a local class, or subscribe for more tips on yoga and mindfulness, remember that every little bit counts. Embrace the process and let yoga guide you to a more mindful, clearer, and connected life. You've got this. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.